Welcome to All Force e-learning classes. We have completed session 21. In session 21, we have seen that preparation of alcohols by using alkenes, hydrolysis reactions, hydroboration reactions, oxymercuration and demercuration reactions. We will see preparation of alcohols by using Grignard reagent in session 22. Grignard reagent RMX is generally called Grignard reagent. X is called chlorine bromine iodine compound. You remember that Grignard reagent are organolithium compound. Both are organometallic compounds. There is a bond in between the carbon and the metal, which is having less electronegativity when compared to chlorine. When compared to carbon, these type of compounds are called what? Organometallic compounds. Here, Grignard reagent and organolithium compounds both are nucleophiles. Both are nucleophiles. When compared to Grignard reagent, that given organolithium compounds are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reactions. That means here Grignard reagent undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions with carbonyl compound. Further formed product undergoes acid hydrolysis, nothing but undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of diluted acids. Diluted H2SO4, diluted HCl is given, or directly hydrolysis is given from the alcohols. From the alcohols here. Carbonyl compounds means the compound which are carrying C double bond OH and C double bond OC functions are called what? Carbonyl compounds. C double bond OH function is present means is called aldehydes. Here C double bond OC is given is called ketones. The combination of aldehydes and ketones are called carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds here. Cyclic ethers also undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions with these reagents form the alcohols. Here types of alcohols are there. Based on the connectivity of OH group, we can explain what type of alcohol is there. That means if OH group is added to that first carbon is called what? Primary carbon is called what? Primary alcohols. Secondary carbon means secondary alcohols. Tertiary carbon means tertiary alcohols. By using these reagents, we can prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohols. Nothing but types of alcohols we can prepare here. Right now, we will see what type of mechanism is involved in these reactions. By using RMGX, we can prepare alcohols. First one is preparation of primary alcohols. Preparation of primary alcohols. Primary alcohols. Primary alcohols means the primary carbon is having OH group. The primary carbon is carrying OH group. So, Grignard reagent reacts with RMGX. RMGX reacts with aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone which is carrying carbonyl group. Then undergoes nucleophilic addition. Which is nucleophile here? R minus Mg plus. R minus alkyl group act as a nucleophile in a given Grignard reagent. That nucleophile is added to unsaturated carbon here. Whenever new sigma bond is formed in between the two carbons, the pi bond electron migrates towards oxygen. On oxygen, electron density increases. Electron density increases. That means R here, O minus, O minus, O minus. That nucleophile attack that electrophile MgX. MgX. The formed compound undergoes hydrolysis. In the presence of diluted acids, already we have discussed that one. Diluted hydrochloric acid is given diluted H2SO4 is given, simply water is given, doesn't matter. Hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis. So hydrolysis, H plus and OH minus. Which is nucleophile? OH minus. H plus is electrophile. The nucleophile is added to H plus. The nucleophile is added to H plus here. OH. Again, the electrophile is added to what? OH minus. OH minus X. The formed compound is having OH group. That means what? Alcohol is formed here. Alcohol is formed here. This is the way to write that mechanism of given carbonyl compounds with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. For example, here methyl magnesium bromide is given. Methyl magnesium bromide compound undergoes nucleophilic addition with formaldehyde. Grignard reagents reacts with formaldehyde form the intermediate product. The product undergoes hydrolysis form the primary alcohol. That means wherever formaldehyde is given, that those formaldehydes are form the only primary alcohols. No chance to form the secondary and tertiary alcohol. We can identify easily when you know that mechanism. So here also same thing, CH3 minus is nucleophile. The nucleophile is added to C double bond O group. Here new sigma bond is formed in between the two carbons. After then the pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen. So again CH3 here, O minus attack that electrophile Mg plus Br. Next step is hydrolysis step. Here. H plus and OH minus. The nucleophile is added to H plus. Then form the product. Here OH. So given carbon has what type of nature? Primary nature or secondary nature or tertiary nature? Only one carbon-carbon bond is there. Is called what? Primary nature. Nothing but primary alcohol is formed here. Then MgOHBr. MgOHBr is formed here. When compared to Grignard reagent R group, in products, how many carbons are more? One carbon. If we take Grignard reagent R group having how many carbons? One carbon. In product having how many carbons? Two carbons. Whatever R group is given, if the R group react with formaldehyde form the alcohol which is having one more carbon than that given Grignard reagent R group. Supposed to be, if the given Grignard reagent is carrying 4 carbons, that compound reacts with formaldehyde form the primary alcohol. The primary alcohol is carrying 5 carbons. Extra carbon is coming from where? Formaldehyde. This is the way to write that primary alcohol. In the same way, if you take methyl lithium, organolithium compounds. Organolithium compounds undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions with given carbonyl compounds. Why? Because the given organolithium compound and given Grignard reagents both are having same type of properties. Both will undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Both will form the same type of products. Nothing but formaldehyde is given, primary alcohol is possible here. So first step is again nucleophilic addition step. First step is nucleophilic addition step here. CH3 O minus Li plus. O minus Li plus. Li plus here. Li plus. Next step is hydrolysis step. The nucleophile is added to H plus. OH. Again, given nucleophile added to Li plus LiOH. Formed one is primary alcohol. Formed one is primary alcohol. Here also same thing. When compared to organolithium alkyl group, the product is carrying how many carbons? How many more carbons? Only one carbon. Based on the given reactant, we can write that one. But your primary thing is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde means is carrying only one carbon. Only one carbon. That means when compared to organo-magnesium compound alkyl group, the product is having one more carbon. This is the way to write that preparation of primary alcohol by using that Grignard reagents and organolithium compounds. Both will undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions. Now, preparation of secondary alcohols. Preparation of secondary alcohols. Wherever formaldehyde is given, form the primary alcohol only. Primary alcohol, you remember always. Whatever other aldehydes is given, estaldehyde, propanaldehyde, butanaldehyde, pentanaldehyde, whatever other aldehyde is given, form the secondary alcohols with Grignard reagents or organolithium compounds. For example, here methyl magnesium iodide is given. The compound reacts with estaldehyde. The compound reacts with estaldehyde. Estaldehyde means wherever formaldehyde is given, the carbon is having two hydrogens. Estaldehyde is given, one CC bond is there in between the C double bond O group and given alkyl group. Due to that reason, we'll get only secondary alcohols in this case. Except formaldehyde, whatever aldehyde is given, that aldehydes are having CC group. Already one carbon-carbon bond is there. According to that concept, we will prepare only secondary alcohols in this reaction. If you use Grignard reagent or organolithium compounds. So now, here also same thing. Which is nucleophile? Methyl is nucleophile. The pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen, then form the CH3 H here. New sigma bond is formed in between C double bond of functional group carbon and given Grignard reagent R here CH3. So electron density increases on oxygen, act as a nucleophile. That nucleophile is added to where? Electrophile MgI. MgI here. MgI. Now next step is hydrolysis step. Next step is hydrolysis step. H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus. The nucleophile is added to H plus. The nucleophile is added to where? H plus. H plus. The formed compound, the middle carbon having OH group. That means due to the presence of two CC bonds is called what? Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol 2-propanol. 2-propanol here. Secondary alcohol. MgOH, which is nucleophile coming from water, OH. Then MgI here. MgI here. This is the way to write that secondary alcohols. Nothing but preparation of secondary alcohols. Preparation of secondary alcohols. In the same way, if you use methyl lithium is given. Methyl lithium reacts with estaldehyde. Here also same thing. Alkyl group act as a nucleophile. The given reactant is carrying C double bond O group. Then due to the presence of C double bond O group, the molecule undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions with given organometallic compound. So here nucleophile is added to C double bond O group. New carbon-carbon bond is possible in between the methyl and C double bond O group. The pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen on oxygen electron density increases. Then form the intermediate which is having OLi, O minus Li plus, O minus Li plus. New carbon-carbon bond is formed. Final product one is secondary alcohol when you do hydrolysis. H3O plus, H3O plus. So O minus is added to H plus. Here CH3, here CH again, CH3OH. Secondary alcohol is formed here. Secondary alcohol is formed here. Plus LiOH. Probe 2 whole. Here also same thing. Here number of carbons are 2. That means the formed product is carrying more number of carbons when compared to organolithium compound R group. Organolithium compound R group. This is a way to write that secondary alcohol. For example here, cyclic compound is given which is having C double bond O group. C double bond O group. C double bond O group is given. Here methyl magnesium bromide is given. Methyl magnesium bromide is given. Methyl lithium is given. Which is nucleophile? CH3 minus and CH3 minus. The nucleophile is added to a C double bond O group. Here also same thing, C double bond O group. The pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen. So O minus here CH3 plus MgBr. Here also same thing. The methyl group is added to C double bond O group. O minus here CH3. Which is electrophile here? Li plus. Second step is hydrolysis step. O minus is added to H plus. Here OH minus. Here again CH3. Here H plus is given H3O plus. Here OH minus CH3. But given compound is ketone. You remember, whatever ketone is given, the ketones undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions with Grignard reagent or organolithium compounds. Finally form the tertiary alcohols. 1, 2, 3. 3 CC bonds. Here also same thing. 1, 2, 3. Tertiary alcohol is formed here. Tertiary alcohol. That is cyclic ketone is given or open chain ketone is given. Doesn't matter. Those compounds form the tertiary alcohols with Grignard reagents or organolithium compounds. Wherever cyclic is given, we have to write the product like this. We will see next example, nothing but open chain ketone example. For example here, methyl magnesium bromide is given. Methyl magnesium bromide reacts with acetone. Here CH3 group. Here CH3 group. So CH3 minus is nucleophile. The minus is added to C double bond O group. The pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen. Then form the CH3 again, O minus MgBr. O minus MgBr. Here new bond is formed here. New bond is formed in between the Grignard reagent alkyl group and a ketonic carbon. Ketonic carbon. The formed one undergoes hydrolysis. The formed one undergoes hydrolysis, then form the tertiary alcohol. Then form the tertiary alcohol. O minus H plus. Formed one is having tertiary nature. This is a way to write that tertiary alcohol. Even though if we take organolithium compounds, we have to follow that same mechanism. Same mechanism, we will get tertiary alcohols again. Tertiary alcohols. For example here, phenyl methyl ketone is given. Phenyl methyl ketone. The compound reacts with ethyl magnesium bromide, C2H5 MgI. Ethyl magnesium iodide. If we take bromide or iodide or chloride, doesn't matter, we'll get same product. There is no change in the mechanisms, even though having different type of halogens. So first step is nucleophilic addition step. Which is nucleophile here? Ethyl group. If you take cyclic ethyl or cyclic alkyl group or normal alkyl group, doesn't matter. That one act as a nucleophile. So here C2H5 minus is added to C double bond O group. C double bond O group here. Then form the product like this. O minus. O minus means nucleophile. Mg plus. Then CH3, which is added to C double bond O group, C2H5. New carbon-carbon bond is formed in between the Grignard reagent carbon and a ketonic carbon. Next step is hydrolysis step. The nucleophile is added to H plus. The nucleophile is added to H plus here. CH3, C2H5 plus MgOHI. The formed product is having tertiary nature 1, 2, 3. Here tertiary alcohol is formed here. Tertiary alcohol. This is a way wherever ketone is given, that is aromatic or aliphatic, doesn't matter. We have to do nucleophilic addition, will get tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol here. But the formed product having different type of R groups. Here phenyl is given, ethyl is given, methyl is given, chiral center is there. Optically active compound is formed here. Wherever simple molecule is given, no chiral center. Based on the product connectivity, we can explain having optical activity or not. For example, in the same way ester compound is given or acid chloride compound is given. Ester or acid chloride doesn't matter. By using 1 mole, it converts into ketone. The formed ketone again reacts with another mole of Grignard reagent, undergoes hydrolysis, form the tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol here. Nothing but if we take ketones or esters or acid chlorides, form the tertiary alcohols. But wherever simple ketone is given, how many moles of Grignard reagent is required? Only 1 mole. Wherever ester or acid chloride is given, 2 moles of Grignard reagents are required to get the tertiary alcohol. Supposed to be here ester is given, which is having like this structure, CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. The compound reacts with magnesium bromide, ethyl magnesium bromide. The first step is removal of these two groups. New carbon-carbon bond is formed in between the ethyl group and alkyl group. So here CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. Ethyl methyl ketone is formed here. Ethyl methyl ketone. In first step, how many moles used in this case? Only 1 mole of Grignard reagent. By using 1 mole of Grignard reagent, that ester convert into ketone. Why? Because again same thing, nucleophilic addition is possible after formation of bond, bond cleavage is possible in between the carbon and oxygen will get ketone. After formation of ketone, if you take another mole here, C2H5 MgBr, what type of reaction is possible? Again nucleophilic addition reaction is possible. Why? Having ketonic functional group. Which is nucleophile? Ethyl group. The ethyl group is added to C double bond O. Then new carbon-carbon bond is formed in between ethyl and ketonic carbon. Ethyl and ketonic carbon. On oxygen electron density increases, then act as a what? Nucleophile. Nucleophile is added to that what? Electrophile Mg plus Br. Mg plus Br. Again hydrolysis is given. Again hydrolysis is given. So which is electrophile? H plus and OH minus. The nucleophile is added to H plus. The nucleophile is added to H plus. CH3, C2H5, C2H5 here, OH. The formed one is having tertiary nature, means tertiary alcohol is formed here. Tertiary alcohol. Then MgOH is a byproduct. So 3 methyl 3-pentanol, 3-pentanol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of carbons are 5. When you write the name of the given compound, means first you have to choose that longest carbon chain. According to that concept, this one is longest chain but not this one here. So the third carbon having OH group and a methyl group, 3-methyl 3-pentanol or pent-3-vol. Nothing but ester is given. How many moles of Grignard reagent is required? 3 moles. If you take acid chloride, also same thing. For example here, acid chloride is given. Acid chloride here CH3 or C2H5, C double bond O Cl is given. Propanyl chloride or acetyl chloride like this. Compound reacts with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent here CH3. The first step is removal of MgCl2. First step is nucleophilic addition. If you write the mechanism, then form the what here? C2H5, C double bond O, CS3 is formed. Formed one is ketone. Formed one is ketone or 2-butanone compound. Butanone compound is formed here. Butanone compound is formed. The butanone compound reacts with 1 mole of Grignard reagent. Here CS3 MgCl, CS3 minus Mg plus in this one. Again CS3 minus is added to where? C double bond O group. After formation of bond, the pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen. Then C2H5 O minus, again CS3 O minus MgCl. Again hydrolysis is given, H3O plus C2H5 here, OH, again CH3. Formed one is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. You remember, simple compound is given, form the one by using 1 mole form the product. Wherever ester or acid chloride is given, by using 2 moles form the product. This is a way to write that tertiary alcohols by using ketones or esters or acid chlorides.